Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you 3 amazing alts on Cardano that you can pick up today. So first off, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. Also, guys, comment down below if you agree with these picks, if you would like to see other picks in the future. But right now, I think these 3 still have a long way to go, and we'll explain why. Okay, so again, nothing should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So right now, Bitcoin hovering just under 100K. I don't believe it's touched it yet, but we're definitely consolidating a little bit. So take a look at the day, look at the week, look at the month. We're starting to go sideways, and that's a good thing because money that's been flowing into Bitcoin now drips into Ethereum. You could argue that it's been going into Ethereum at the same time, if not more. XRP's pumping. So you're going to see Solana pump as well as Cardano, which we'll focus our attention on in this video. So Cardano is pumped to $1, which is beautiful. It's nice to see. Not quite all-time highs. We will get there, in my opinion. But it's the first little leg up. So Cardano's going to pump. It's going to go sideways. And it's my opinion that these 3 alts are going to go to the moon. Okay, so if we get to the moon, maybe the Moose will be there hanging out with Elon, right? We'll be making a cocktail. Moose might get too loose, you know? Moose will be on the dance floor, you know, just showing off his tokens. So the first token we're going to talk about, guys, has to be, we're going to start with a gaming project, Cornucopias, okay? So the reason I like Cornucopias, obviously they have a good team. I have met some of them. First off, I do own all 3 of these tokens. It's a very small portion of my bag now. I'm mostly Cardano. I'm mostly Bitcoin now. So that will be a different video. But guys, Cornucopias has yet to rip. Okay? Guys, we're taking a look at a 36 million market cap, let's call it, of an incredibly beautiful looking game built using Unreal Engine 5. Okay. And they have NFTs. They have in-game assets. There's so much going on with Cornucopias. Recently listed on LCX. It's another centralized exchange. So what that allows for is more users to easily get access to the token. And it's also not chain agnostic to Cardano. There's an Ethereum contract. There's a base contract. There's, I believe, a BNB contract. I think that's where I first got this token. So this game, guys, looks so incredible. So if you guys have tried it out, let me know. I have tons of videos regarding Cornucopias. So go to the channel, type in COPI. I've been talking about it for over a year. So yeah, like, what is my price prediction? I'm not really sure yet because things will change, but I would like to see this getting back to all-time highs. So I think it's very possible that Cornucopias could get to, 8, 10, 15 cents. And that will happen before you know it. And it's going to be like this. You're going to see it, within the matter of a week, just triple, quadruple in price. So the game looks good. Everything's there, right? It's on the Neo Tokyo list of games as well. So Becker may be talking about this before you know it. There's just a lot going on here with Cornucopias. And guys, like, the game is huge. It's massive. And if you want a gaming play, it's going to be Cornucopias. So number 2, let's go with NVL. Let's go back here in a minute. But I want to talk about Nuvola Digital, okay? And Nuvola Digital has been pumping like Arnold Schwarzenegger in his prime, okay? Like, I'm talking about defeating Lou Ferrigno and all the other alts. Look at this thing. So with a low supply of 21 million, Nuvola has been doing very well with tokenomics. So guys, first off, Nuvola is a new project. It's a DePIN aggregator. So what you can do is you can pick up some NVL tokens, stake it to their platform, and you can earn rewards based on the node activity that they're producing. So what NVL does with how they operate is they help manage and run nodes on the hardware, software side of things. So they have energy efficient nodes, they have partnerships, and we'll go over it here in a minute. And you can basically imagine that, instead of you having to run nodes and, make sure that they're up and running efficiently, that you have the hardware, you have the software, the know-how, you leave it up to NVL, you pick up the token, they take, their percentage, you get your percentage, and it's a really cool thing. So if you guys go to the link tree, I will have this pinned down in the comment section. I have it everywhere. Go to staking, click on Nuvola Digital. So I will be doing a tutorial on how to stake and how to unstake your NVL. So that's going to be a really cool video. So I'm actually going to have to change my wallet here to give you an idea. So let's go to Mitch Wallet Name. So right here, you probably don't see any NVL, but you will see something here. So this is their, dashboard. So basically, all you're going to do is create a stake, and I have tutorials. So guys, go to the channel, NVL staking. So just look up NVL Crypto Moose, how to stake NVL tokens, boom, right there. So that's how you're going to do that. And I recently unstaked some. That's because I've already made 5-10x profit on some. So guys, if you are making profit, you should be taking profit. Okay, so when you're making profit, if you buy down here at 15 cents, like I did, I swapped some ADA for NVL, and it goes up to $1.59, take some profit. So that's what I'm doing. Once this goes to $5, which I think I could easily do, I'm probably going to take more profit. Okay, so I'm starting to take some profit. You guys should be doing the same. As bullish as I am, I do want to make sure that I get profit. So we're not going to bring up the M word, but yeah, that's something I want you to all do. So I will let you know when I eventually sell more ADA, especially the low cap stuff, because it's very important, right? People are going to dump on you. They do not care about you. People that are into crypto, I promise you, these millions of people are not thinking about you, okay? And there are projects that you can hold long-term, like Bitcoin, in my opinion. Cardano, I think they're great long-term. But eventually the cycle will end. The fear of missing out, it won't be there, okay? So the algorithms are going to change. The world will change, okay? So here, NVL, you stake, and you start to earn some rewards. So they have COPI nodes that they're running. It looks like World Mobile Tokens, Iagon. I really like Raul. I've interviewed the CEO. So if you guys go here, type in, actually, there's a little video, me and Raul. I went to Vegas. And then here's the long form interview. And this is a good one, man, if you guys just want to understand the project. So I think there's a lot of room to go. Just so you guys know, I believe this thing could get to crazy numbers. Like this could literally 100x. So that's why I still have what I have in there. I got 1,000 tokens. The moose gets 100,000. Let's get loose, baby. So that's that. Guys, comment down below. Do you have any NVL? So number three, we got to talk about Mr. Snek. Okay, so Snek is a meme coin. And look at this chart. Look at this chart. So I got in down here again, sold a little bit here. So the moose has been flipping some Snek, okay? Because it's fun. It's just, the thing is, guys, meme coins are not going away. And the more people that get into Cardano, they're gonna come to this realization. Snek is by far the number one meme on Cardano, okay? It is the number one meme on Cardano. There is nothing close on Cardano. Okay? There is Snek, and then there's everything else. Like, what's there's Husky. But guys, nobody cares about Husky. Nobody cares about these other tokens in comparison to Snek. Snek is the Doge of Cardano. It's not even close. It's not even close. Okay, so keep that in mind. As more liquidity flows into Cardano, Snek is going to rise. Okay, so, and the memes are incredible. The team's pretty cool too because they made a Snek energy drink. They're kind of taking this project serious. So even if you go to the website, I believe it's Snek Energy Drink or something.com. So it's just funny. It's a Snek. The memes work, and the tokenomics are pretty good. And yeah, I don't see a world where Snek doesn't hit $1 billion market cap, assuming the market continues to go up. Okay. So guys, I mean, let me know, but I don't think there's anything close. There is one token that's called like Charles Hoskinson. I love that token. I think it's hilarious. So whoever invented that, that's cool. But guys, Snek by far, it's silly. So even with the S's, I can't even do it. Snek is silly, you know. But it does work. I mean, these gains are ridiculous. So I have a position, like guys, I did a video a while ago on Snek before it ever hit 100 mil market cap. So let me see when I first started talking about Snek. It was a long time ago. Yeah, how to buy Snek a year ago, guys. So I've had millions of tokens before, and I got rid of a lot of them. So Snek, $100 million market cap a year ago. Somebody commented, they're like, oh, he'll never hit that. And I made a bet and I won. So yeah, guys, it's part of my top 3 a while ago. Snek is by far the #1 meme on Cardano. And guys, memes are not going to go away. And part of it is tokenomics. So, most of the tokens are out. There's a brand. It's a fun token. But do take profits, okay? It's a stupid meme token. That's all it is at the end of the day. Okay, convert it back to Bitcoin. If you can make profit on Snek, convert it to Bitcoin. That's a story you can tell anybody down the road. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Head over to Linktree. Guys, use code MOOSE. Save 20% off because there is Black Friday deals right now. So the Black Friday special, guys, I mean, TANGEM has been making the moose look great. So we've sold over 1,000 TANGEM wallets, including rings now. Okay, so you can pick up a ring. Guys, $130 under. Guys, about $125, let's call it, USD. You can get a the best EDC. Everyday carry, for those of you that don't know. Okay? Under $45, you get a 2-card set. And if a centralized exchange goes down, you're good. You're good. Okay, so other than that, we have online courses. We also have Black Friday sales for those. So check out my Udemy courses. I've got tons regarding cryptos, NFTs, a free Cardano mini course. And we also have tools to help you out with your journey. We have new projects. If you guys got into Sync AI, let me know. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Oh, also, we have a sale for Trezor. We have a sale. So if you are going to pick one up, guys, you kidding me? 40% off a Model T. Woo, baby. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.